Hi everyone, it's Celia, Chelsea Residential Properties. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're at the Down to Earth Farmers Market in Chelsea, located at the corners of West 23rd Street and 9th Avenue. It's a small but lovely little community spot filled with fresh produce and unique finds. Before we begin our tour, however, I'd like to ask, if you haven't already done so and you get value out of the content I share, I'd appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. Additionally, if you're looking to rent, buy, sell, or invest in residential properties in the Chelsea community or the Village, Hudson Yards, and Flatiron districts, and you don't already have someone assisting you, it'll be my pleasure to help you with the process. Okay, so here we have ore washers, which does love the bread. And beside them we have Fino Farms. We have wonderful herbs, vegetables. So the market is only open on Saturdays between the hours of 8 and 2 p.m. So we have soup here. Pasta. I tried this pasta last year. It was excellent. So they have gluten-free options, and you just cook it, boil it for a couple of minutes, and you're good to go. It's very nice. It's quite different to the regular pasta that we buy in the supermarket. So we have Meredith breads from upstate New York, Kingston. We have some organic vegetables over here. And your fresh herbs, the salad mixes. Eggs. Chicken is over here. Lots of pickles. We have British pot pies, if you enjoy your British treats. And coffee.
It's never gonna get better.
So we have berries for juice and syrup. If you need assistance at the market, we have the market manager's booth. And here we have some more wonderful herbs, salad greens, flowers, and produce. So that is the Chelsea's Farmers Market. As I mentioned, it's very small, but it's very convenient for people who live here. Of course, another option for you, if you're looking for more variety, you can go to the 14th Street Union Square station where they have a much larger market. Okay, my friends, so that was just our tour, a quick tour of today's market. I hope that you enjoyed it. So until the next time, you stay safe and enjoy the rest of your Saturday.